Hey, I'm back again with another fun video for you. Well, thanks for checking out this video, and if you haven't subscribed or checked out some of my other ones, make sure you take a look because I got a ton of them. Anyway, so today, as you can see, we're going to be trying to create this little fun little shape. Kitty. Yeah, that's right. What I did with this without a lesson that I taught in some elementary schools and middle school classes, use your imagination. So it kind of looks like a shape. And from that shape, create different elements. In this case, I took the basic shape and I made a cat. Now, you can take this basic shape and turn it into many different things. A monster, different animals. But just look at that shape and see what you can come up with. But before that, maybe you want to check out and watch this video. And if you have your paper and a pencil and your creativity thinking hat on, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.